Vastrapur has always been Ahmedabad's one of the most prime location, and now it's getting something even bigger. That is Godrej Altis. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the complete project overview of Godrej Altis, developed by none other than Godrej Properties in Vastrapur, Ahmedabad. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, I know you must be wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. अनलाइक करंट लिस्टिंग प्लेटफॉर्म जहां अगर आप एक इंक्वायरी भी कर लेते हो तो आपका कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ. अल्टीमेटली इट विल रिजल्ट इन टू मेनी फोन कॉल्स. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because Housey में listing brokers नहीं builders करते हैं. तो यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए and book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. अब शुरू करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू के साथ. एंड गोदरेज एल्टिस is spread across 15,000 square yards, that is 3 acre of land parcel, consisting of 4 residential tower with each tower of basement, ground plus 17 and 18 floor, offering you 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. There will be total of 212 apartments. Now coming to the location part, and Godrej Altis is coming up just beside GMDC building in Vastrapur, Ahmedabad. So you will be just 2 minutes away from Gurukul Road metro station, 3 minutes away from Vastrapur Lake, 4 minutes from Ahmedabad Nexus Mall and just 8 minutes to SG Highway. अब अगर एमिनिटीज की बात करें तो ये प्रोजेक्ट आपको लग्जरियस वर्ल्ड क्लास एमिनिटीज प्रोवाइड करेगा, लाइक ऑफ अ किड्स प्ले एरिया, मल्टीपर्पज कोर्ट, जिम्नाजियम, swimming pool, a grand clubhouse and many more. Now about the carpet area, and this project offers you 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies with 100% Vastu compliant home, where 3 BHK is of 1500 square feet carpet area and 4 BHK starts from 2000 and goes up to 2400 square feet usable carpet area. Now let's discuss about the booking process. And our project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Godrej Altis, located in Vastrapur, Ahmedabad, developed by Godrej Properties.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.